Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrency, has experienced its fair share of ups and downs, but one thing's for certain, it's here to stay. And with the next crypto boom potentially on the horizon, investors are searching for ways to capitalize on this dynamic market. But what if you could tap into the potential of Bitcoin without directly investing in the cryptocurrency itself? Welcome back to Stocks Telegraph. Today, we're setting our sights on a company that's redefining Bitcoin mining, Iris Energy Ltd, trading under the ticker IREN. Iris Energy isn't your average mining company, they're pioneers in sustainable Bitcoin mining, utilizing 100% renewable energy to power their operations. With the growing focus on environmental responsibility, Iris Energy's innovative approach positions them as a frontrunner in the evolving Bitcoin mining landscape. So, if you're looking for a way to gain exposure to the potential of Bitcoin without the environmental concerns, IREN stock might just be your golden ticket. Before we delve into the reasons why IREN could be a compelling investment opportunity, we want to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us your thoughts on Bitcoin's future and the viability of sustainable mining practices. Now, let's explore IREN's financial performance and the factors driving the potential for a Bitcoin resurgence, to help you decide if this stock deserves a spot in your portfolio. We've established Iris Energy's unique position in the Bitcoin mining industry by focusing on sustainability. But what about the financial side of the equation? Let's get down to the numbers and see why IREN could be an intriguing investment. First, take a look at the current stock price, $4.68. Now, compare that to the analyst's mean target price of $11, a potential upside of over 134%. This bullish sentiment is likely fueled by IREN's impressive financial performance. Despite trading lower than its 52-week high, IREN has delivered significant growth over the past 6 months, with its stock price increasing by 33.71%. While the last month hasn't seen explosive gains, the 4.23% increase indicates continued momentum. But the real story lies in IREN's earnings reports. Their EPS has skyrocketed by a staggering 96.48% this year, with projections for a mind-blowing 858.72% growth next year. Equally impressive is their quarterly earnings growth, which sits at a phenomenal 99.21%. Let's not forget revenue growth, which boasts a robust 298.95% increase in the last quarter. These figures paint a clear picture of a company experiencing significant and sustainable growth across all key financial metrics. Perhaps even more compelling is IREN's debt-to-equity ratio of 0.00. This means they have no debt on their books, giving them a significant financial advantage compared to competitors burdened by debt. This strong financial position allows IREN to invest heavily in expansion and capitalize on future growth opportunities within the Bitcoin mining space. We've analyzed IREN's impressive financial performance and the potential upside as indicated by the analyst's target price. But there's more to the story. Iris Energy operates in a unique space within the cryptocurrency ecosystem, sustainable Bitcoin mining. This focus on renewable energy not only positions them favorably in an environmentally conscious market but also sets them apart from traditional mining companies. Many investors have been eyeing Bitcoin mining stocks with anticipation, and for good reason. The upcoming Bitcoin halving, an event that cuts the number of Bitcoins rewarded to miners in half, is expected to significantly impact the price of Bitcoin. While some investors fear this halving will decrease mining revenue, others see it as a catalyst for a surge in Bitcoin's value. Miners, aware of this potential shift, have been aggressively expanding operations to capitalize on the anticipated price increase. What truly sets IREN apart is its unique business model. Unlike other miners who hold onto their mined Bitcoin, IREN immediately sells all their mined coins. This eliminates the risk associated with Bitcoin price fluctuations for IREN, but it also positions them to benefit directly from any price increases. With a current cost per mined Bitcoin of $20,158, IREN stands to see substantial gains if Bitcoin's price climbs as predicted by many analysts. While some investors might favor miners who hold Bitcoin, IREN's aggressive expansion plans are another factor to consider. They recently updated their guidance to expand capacity to a staggering 20 exahash per second by the end of this year, up from their previous target of 7 exahash per second. This significant increase in mining power positions them to generate substantially more revenue, even without holding onto mined Bitcoins. The upcoming Bitcoin halving and the broader cryptocurrency bull run have ignited investor interest in Bitcoin mining stocks. Iris Energy, IREN, presents a unique opportunity within this space. Their commitment to sustainable mining practices, combined with their aggressive expansion plans and low mining cost, positions them to potentially capitalize on the anticipated rise in Bitcoin's value. However, the cryptocurrency market remains inherently volatile, and the success of IREN's strategy hinges on Bitcoin's price performance. It's important to remember that IREN isn't solely reliant on Bitcoin itself. Their involvement in the broader Bitcoin mining infrastructure adds a layer of diversification to their business model. This could potentially mitigate some of the risks associated with regulatory changes or fluctuations in Bitcoin's energy consumption. Adding to IREN's appeal is their sound financial position. The significant increase in adjusted EBITDA from the first to the second half of fiscal year 2024 demonstrates their ability to generate revenue. Furthermore, their healthy cash reserves and complete lack of debt provide them with the financial flexibility needed to navigate market fluctuations. Investing in IREN requires careful consideration. The cryptocurrency market is subject to rapid swings, and the success of IREN's strategy is directly tied to Bitcoin's price. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always conduct your own thorough research before making any investment decisions. We hope this analysis of Iris Energy, IREN, has been informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Stocks Telegraph for more in-depth stock analysis. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on IREN's potential and the future of Bitcoin mining. Until next time, happy investing.